In this tutorial, I will show you that how can recover Roblox account if you lost Authenticator app in just few easy steps. For the first step, when you are on the verification screen, click on use another verification method. Sometimes Roblox will show another option you can use. For example, if you save your backup code, you can enter it here. This is 9-digit code that you receive when you first set up the Authenticator. Now, if you don't have the backup code, you will need to contact Roblox support to remove the two-step verification. To do this, click on need help. Contact Roblox support. Once the page opens, scroll all the way down to bottom and click on need more help. Contact support here. If you don't see this option, click no and contact link should appear. Now, fill out all the required information. Enter your Roblox username, enter your first name, enter your email address. The more correct information you provide, the better your chances of recovery. Scroll down and select the device you are having the issue on. Choose PC. Under category type, select account hacked or can't log in. Then select lost access to my two-step verification method. In the description box, type this message. Hi, I have lost access to my two-factor authentication app. I still have access to my phone number and email address. Please change my verification method to one of these so I can regain access to my account. Once done, click continue. You will receive an email from Roblox support team within 3 to 4 days. Roblox should remove two-step verification from your account and allow you to log in again. This is the exact method I use to regain access to my Roblox account. So that's how you can recover Roblox account if you lost Authenticator app.